Welcome to Bestsellers Market, the ultimate destination for discovering the top-rated products that everyone's talking about. Today, we're diving into a world where speed, connectivity, and innovation come together. Network transceivers. These devices are the unsung heroes of our digital age, enabling everything from seamless streaming to flawless gaming. But we're not just talking about any network transceivers. We're counting down the best of the best. The top-selling models on Amazon that have earned their spot through performance, reliability, and customer satisfaction. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and explore the cutting-edge technology that's transforming how we connect, communicate, and conquer the digital world. Introducing number 5 on our list, the TP-Link MC220L Gigabit SFP to RJ-45 Fiber Media Converter. This little powerhouse is your gateway to seamless fiber to Ethernet conversion, and it's as versatile as it is reliable. Imagine a device that bridges the gap between fiber and Ethernet, effortlessly converting 1000 base SX/LX fiber into 1000 base T copper. With the MC220L, that's exactly what you get. Whether you're dealing with single-mode or multi-mode fiber, this converter has you covered, making it the perfect fit for a wide range of network environments. Simplicity is key here. No software, no configurations. Just plug and play. And while it may be straightforward to set up, its capabilities are anything but basic. The auto-negotiation gigabit connection ensures smooth, high-speed data transfer, adapting to your network's needs with ease. Half duplex or full duplex, this converter handles both, making it as flexible as your requirements demand. But let's talk range. When paired with the right SFP modules, the MC220L delivers impressive transmission distances. Single-mode fiber? You're looking at up to 12.4 miles or 20 kilometers. Multi-mode fiber? 1,800 feet or 550 meters. This isn't just about getting the job done, it's about getting the job done efficiently. Whether you're covering short distances or stretching across long expanses. All of this comes wrapped in a durable metal casing, built to last and withstand the rigors of daily use. It's not just about performance, it's about longevity. And with UL certification, you know you're dealing with a product that meets rigorous safety and quality standards. In the ever-evolving world of network technology, the TP-Link MC220L stands out as a robust, reliable, and remarkably user-friendly solution. Whether you're setting up a small office or managing a larger network, this converter is your go-to for hassle-free, high-performance fiber to Ethernet connections. That's why it's number 5 on our list of best-selling network transceivers on Amazon. A true testament to its quality, reliability, and the trust it has earned from users worldwide. Number 4 on our countdown is not just a transceiver. It's a gateway to a whole new way of staying connected. Introducing the Rack Wireless WISP-Block Meshtastic Starter Kit, US 915 edition. Imagine an off-grid messaging system where your personal mesh network can stretch across miles, connecting you with others, even in the most remote locations. The Rack Wireless WISP-Block Meshtastic Starter Kit makes this vision a reality. It's a comprehensive package that gives you everything you need to set up your own Meshtastic node in just a few steps. At the heart of this kit is the powerful WISP-Block baseboard, paired with the Rack 4631 core module, which includes the essential Rack 4630 stamp. These components are the backbone of your mesh network, designed to seamlessly forward messages from one node to the next, keeping you connected over vast distances. Now, let's talk simplicity. The kit is pre-flashed with a working version of the Meshtastic firmware, so you can hit the ground running. And if you're wondering about compatibility, it's all covered. This kit easily integrates with the Meshtastic app on both iPhone and Android devices. No screen is needed. Your smartphone becomes the control center for your network. But this isn't just about basic functionality. The Rack Wireless WISP-Block Meshtastic Starter Kit is about versatility and expansion. Want to customize your setup? Go ahead. There's room to add a battery, a case, an OLED display, GPS, or other sensors. It's designed for tinkerers, explorers, and anyone who values staying connected in off-grid situations. The US 915 HZ version is tailored for specific regional frequencies, ensuring optimal performance where you need it most. And if you're concerned about staying up to date, firmware updates are readily available, with basic support provided to help you get the most out of your kit. With the Rack Wireless WISP-Block Meshtastic Starter Kit, you're not just buying a product, you're stepping into a world of endless possibilities. Whether for adventure, emergency communication, or just the thrill of creating your own network, this kit delivers reliability, flexibility, and the freedom to stay connected, wherever you are. That's why it's earned its spot at number 4 on our list of best-selling network transceivers on Amazon. It's more than just a device. It's your ticket to off-grid communication excellence. Coming in at number 3, we have a product that's small in size but massive in impact. The TP-Link Nano USB Wi-Fi 6 adapter, RJ-45 Nano. This sleek device is your key to unlocking the power of Wi-Fi 6, and it's packed with features that deliver a truly next-gen experience. Let's start with speed, because in today's world, who has time to wait? The RJ-45 Nano delivers blazing fast AX 1800 wireless speeds, with up to 1201 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, and 574 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or downloading large files, this adapter has the bandwidth to handle it all with ease. But speed is just the beginning. Say goodbye to network congestion with MU-MIMO technology. This means your network can handle multiple devices simultaneously without compromising on performance. Picture this. You're streaming your favorite show, someone else is in the middle of an intense online gaming session, and another is uploading files. No lag, no buffering, just smooth, seamless connectivity. And it gets even better. The RJ-45 Nano features OFDMA, which works with compatible routers to deliver data to your PC and other devices all at once. This isn't just about faster internet, it's about reducing latency to a level that makes online gaming and video streaming feel instantaneous. Now, let's talk about design. The nano-sized form factor is perfect for anyone on the go. It's so compact you can plug it into your desktop or laptop and forget it's even there. But don't be fooled by its size. This adapter is a powerhouse in disguise. Security is paramount. And with WPA3 encryption, you're protected by the latest in wireless security standards. Enhanced password safety and robust protection ensure your data stays yours, private, secure, and out of reach from unauthorized access. Setting up this little marvel is a breeze. The preloaded driver makes installation virtually effortless, with automatic device recognition that gets you connected in no time. Compatible with Windows 10 and 11, the TP-Link RJ-45 Nano isn't just an adapter. It's a ticket to the future of wireless connectivity. Compact, powerful, and secure, it's no wonder this tiny titan has claimed the number 3 spot in our countdown of best-selling network transceivers on Amazon. It's Wi-Fi 6 in the palm of your hand, ready to elevate your internet experience to new heights. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling network transceivers on Amazon? Well, don't let your connection drop. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay plugged into all our top tech picks. Securing the number 2 spot on our countdown is a product that delivers power and versatility in one sleek package. The 10G-Tech 10G Base T SFP Plus to RJ-45 Transceiver. If you're looking to push the boundaries of your network performance, this is the transceiver that'll take you there. Let's dive into what makes this device so impressive. At its core, it's all about speed, lightning-fast 10G data rates that redefine what's possible in your network environment. Whether you're upgrading an existing setup or building something new, this transceiver ensures that you're equipped to handle the demands of modern data transfer with no compromises. But speed is just the beginning. The 10G-Tech 10G Base T SFP Plus transceiver is designed for versatility, with an RJ-45 interface and support for Cat 6A and Cat 7 cables. It offers a reach of up to 30 meters, giving you the flexibility to design your network your way. It's the perfect solution for short-range, high-speed connections that need to deliver top-tier performance every time. Compatibility? It's got you covered. This transceiver works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, from Cisco to Fortinet, Ubiquiti to Netgear, D-Link to TP-Link, and so many more. Whether you're running a complex network or simply need reliable performance across various platforms, this transceiver integrates effortlessly, making it an essential tool in any network engineer's arsenal. What sets the 10G-Tech transceiver apart is its ability to bridge the gap between cutting-edge technology and practical, everyday use. It's built to meet the needs of high-performance environments, but it's just as at home in smaller setups where reliability and speed are non-negotiable. In a world where connectivity is key, the 10G-Tech 10G Base T SFP Plus to RJ-45 transceiver stands out as a leader, offering unmatched performance, broad compatibility, and the kind of speed that keeps your network ahead of the curve. It's not just a transceiver. It's a gateway to the future of networking. That's why it's earned its place as the #2 best-selling network transceiver on Amazon. Because when it comes to delivering excellence in network performance, this transceiver is a cut above the rest. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the #1 best-selling network transceiver on Amazon. Topping our list is a product that redefines what it means to stay connected. Introducing the TP-Link Nano USB Wi-Fi adapter, RJ-45 Nano. This is not just a Wi-Fi adapter, it's a gateway to seamless high-speed internet, all packed into a sleek, nano-sized design. Let's talk speed. With dual-band AC 1300, you're looking at blistering wireless connections, 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, and 400 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz. Whether you're streaming in 4K, gaming online, or downloading large files, this adapter ensures your connection is fast, reliable, and most importantly, lag-free. But speed is just the beginning. The RJ-45 Nano features mu-MIMO technology, which boosts the efficiency and throughput of your entire network. It's like giving your Wi-Fi a turbocharge, allowing multiple devices to connect simultaneously without slowing down. Imagine everyone in your home streaming, gaming, and browsing at once, all with zero interruptions. And let's not overlook the design. This adapter is as tiny as it is powerful. The nano-sized sleek profile means you can plug it in and forget about it. It's perfect for desktops, laptops, and anyone who values portability without sacrificing performance. Compatibility is key, and this adapter has it in spades. It's fully compatible with a range of systems, from Windows 7 to 11, and even macOS up to version 10.15. Whether you're on a PC or Mac, the RJ-45 Nano fits right in, ready to upgrade your wireless experience. Security is another pillar of this adapter's design. With WPA3 support, your internet connection is fortified with the latest encryption standards, offering more secure and individualized protection. You can browse, stream, and download with peace of mind, knowing your data is safe. And there's more. Thanks to 256 QAM modulation technology, this adapter packs more data into each transmission, leading to faster data transfer rates and a smoother online experience. It's cutting-edge tech in the palm of your hand. In a world where connectivity is everything, the TP-Link Nano USB Wi-Fi adapter, RJ-45 Nano, stands out as the ultimate choice for anyone looking to upgrade their network performance. It's fast, secure, compatible, and incredibly compact, earning its place as the #1 network transceiver on Amazon. This isn't just a product, it's the future of wireless connectivity delivered today. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling network transceivers on Amazon. To keep up with the latest top-rated products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check out the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.